What's up, man? Welcome back. Look, man, I'm gonna get into this real simple, real easy, real quick. So, let's say you been following my channel, you been following how I've been telling y'all how to get these deals, and you still ain't had no luck, you still ain't got no deals, you still ain't found no auctions to get in. Today, I'm finna give y'all one of the goodest, well, I ain't gonna say the goodest, but I'm finna give y'all one auction that anybody can get in, no dealer license, no fees, but you do gotta pay a little fee on top of the car you buy. Just an email address, bro. Look, bro, if you're looking for a work truck, whatever, bro, you looking for something to flip, I'm finna give y'all a site. I'm finna give y'all a site right now, bro. Let's get into this shit, bro. Look, bro, this is an online auction called govdeals.com, bro. I hope y'all can see that, bro. govdeals.com, bro. So, when you come on this site, bro, this the site, bro. You go through the site. They got different shit, bro. Different cars all around the world, bro. Different cars and work trucks all around the world, bro. Anybody can buy them, bro. An 18-year-old can buy them. Anybody can buy them, bro. If you got, I think you got to have a driving license or something, bro. Anybody can buy them, bro. Tons and tons and tons of cars, bro. And all you got to do, they got school buses for the people that want to live that off-grid life type of shit. Or make a party bus or something. You got all type of trucks. They got all type of equipment, man. All type of old police cars, if you like that. Bruh, this is a way you can make a lot of money, bruh. A lot of money. This is a way you can make a lot of money. The bids start out very low. All type of cars, bruh. All over the world, bruh. So, I know I be putting y'all on that sauce, bro. So, man, y'all need to like, comment, subscribe to me, bro. I'm putting y'all on that game, man. You feel me? I just had to give y'all something simple. You get what I'm saying? This the beginning. It's gonna get better, baby. Like, I'm here to help y'all, bro. Like, don't watch what I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help you develop and get in this game and make money, flipping these whips. I'm here to help you. You feel what I'm saying? Get y'all the behind the scenes, what nobody don't want to tell you, bro. You feel me? You can brag on whoever you want to brag on. You know people that that do what I do, whatever. But they ain't gonna tell you the sauce. And they ain't gonna keep it 100% real with you, bro. So, you must like, comment, subscribe, and fuck with me. I'm going to keep dropping these videos. This shit going to get better. When you comment and tell me if you found your first deal. Like, come on. Be real with me now. Because, I got a lot of sauce, bro. I've been doing this shit for a long time. I know I look young as a motherfucker, man. But I've been doing this shit for a long time, bro. If you fucking with what I'm doing, bro, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to keep dropping these videos, bro. Comment what y'all want me to do next, bro. What do y'all want me to do next? Y'all want me to go to some of these auctions? Y'all want me to buy something at one of these auctions? What y'all want? Like, come on. I'm dropping video after video, day after day, motivating the people. You know what I'm saying? Telling you how to get your bag up. So, what more y'all want from me? Know what I'm saying? So, look. Go to the site, bro. Just pause the video. I told y'all what it was. Go to the site. Find you something, man. Like, they got all type of trucks, all type of everything, man. And you can make you some money today, bro. Stop being lazy. Go make that motherfucking bread.